Hello, my name is Esmal Sandalis and I'm part of the robotics team. Today we will be building a marshmallow launcher. So, the items required for a marshmallow launcher includes scissors, a balloon, paper roll, tape, and of course the marshmallow. So first, we will begin with tying a knot with the balloon. Once we finish tying the knot, we will cut the tip of the balloon at least 1/3. Right. Once done, we will place this on the top of the paper roll. Right. Then we will secure this to make sure it doesn't fall off with tape. Which is what we have right here. Make sure it's not too long, but not too short. It's perfect. Alright, now once done, you have your marshmallow launcher and all you need is just a marshmallow.